Hey everyone. I'm going to spend a couple of videos just explaining how you can start a sprint planning, how you can get going with your Scrum process. You guys already did the first sprint review, in this case, Kajs Car Rental, and what I'm going to show you is how I would attack it from the interview text that is in the document that you got from Kai. So the idea was with the car rental service was you got this assignment here. The compulsory assignment was to take the information you got from a system designer who worked together with Kai in an interview, and you try to kind of convert that into a system. Now, what I'm going to try and do is show you how you can take some of this information that you are getting from Kai in the interview and convert it into a list of features or user stories that you can add to your backlog. Because that's kind of how we get started here. The next step we'll do is then we'll break those features down into multiple tasks. Then we will try to continue the process, and maybe we'll end up with an actual chart showing how the process should run. So, first step, I've opened my document that you guys got about Kajs Car Rental, and I'm scrolling down to the area where Kai and the system designer start talking together. And the first question is very, very broad. So he just asks, what will happen when a customer walks into your office and wants to order a car? And he starts explaining a lot of things here, and I can just from this very basic text here, I can at least see 5 features that we can start working with. And I only want to focus on this because I could continue down and read on in the text, but let's just start here and find some features in this first set that Kai presents to us. The first thing that I noticed here is that Kai says a customer, he appears, he wants to figure out which price category the customer wants. So there must be some kind of way when the customer enters, we want to be able to just select the price category that the customer wants. That needs to be some kind of main feature, so we really quickly can say, hello there customer, click OK, you're in price category B, those are the list of cars. That sounds like a feature we want. Check if there are some available cars in that category. So right away when I select the category, there should be some kind of list presenting the available cars of that category. That's another feature. Fill out a rental agreement. So if you feel that we found the right car for you, let's fill out some kind of rental agreement. We can go into what should be in there later, but that's kind of another feature that Kai wants. We might want to add insurance. Maybe that's under the rental agreement, but why not pull it into its own feature so that we can make the rental agreement a smaller story? Which specific car and category the customer rents. So we need to, of course, assign the very specific car that he rents so that we can show later that he got the actual car, not just any car in the category. So that's also a feature. Deposit, another feature. And then we need to have some kind of calculation of the actual price compared to the total period that the car was rented. So those are all features, and we're going to, in the next video, try to move them into Scrum. So see you next time.